Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Descript tips and tricks about text-to-speech. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now as you know, Descript has the feature to create text-to-speech output. Now, I'm going to show you how it would usually work. Right now, for example, you have a new project, simply open it, and then over here, you're going to click on Start Writing. On the start writing mode, this is specifically the text that will be turned into text-to-speech. For example, let's say, "Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial." This will be the output that our text-to-speech feature will say. Now, as you know also, there will be many speakers or different types of voice that you could use. As you can see, when you click on speaker, you could choose from many stock voices as you can see here, and all of them are great. Now, what I suggest is, when using the text-to-speech feature, I think you should create your own voice or use your own voice to be able to create an amazing or much better output for the text-to-speech feature. You could use the feature called overdub, or you could use the feature called overdub in Descript, which will use your own voice as a speaker for your text-to-speech output over here. For example, right now we have the "Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial." Instead of a stock voice, it will be using your own voice for the output. And all you need to do to be able to use this is to upload at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes as recommended by Descript so that it can scan your voice and that it will be able to generate an AI voice copy of your own voice and then use it for the text-to-speech feature. And that is a tip and trick on how you will be able to create better text-to-speech applications or better text-to-speech output. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.